Lists and groups let us organize reminders. Below the Smart Lists section in the sidebar, we have My Lists. This is where we can add our own lists, which can be one of three list types: Standard, Groceries, or Smart. We can add new lists from the Add List button up here. I'm going to name this one Travel. From this menu, we can choose the list type. I'll leave this as a standard list, which essentially means reminders need to be added to the list manually. Below, we can assign a custom color and a symbol to the list. Next, let's rename the Reminders list. To do so, swipe left on the list and tap the Info button. Let's rename this to Home. We can tap and drag to move reminders from one list into another. I'll move the vacation prep reminder into the Travel list. Let's add a couple of other reminders to this list as well. While viewing a list, tap this button to add a section. This lets us name a section within the list and then add reminders beneath it. We can tap and drag to move reminders between sections. Tap on a section title to rename it. Use the turn-down triangles to the right to hide or show the contents of each section. Swipe left on a section title, and we can delete it along with all the reminders under it. While a list is selected, tap the More button up here, and we can choose to view the list as columns. This will put each section within the list in its own vertical column. Column view works a lot better on iPad than iPhone, in my opinion. While in column view, a tap on the New Section button will add a new column. Next, let's add a new list called Groceries and set it to the Groceries list type. What this will do now is automatically organize the items in this list into the typical sections of a supermarket, such as produce, meat, and dairy. As items are added, they are placed into those sections. Then, while we shop, just check off the items. Next, we can create a smart list. With a smart list, we are able to select from a variety of filters to only see certain reminders. So let's make a smart list that includes flagged reminders. And then from the date filter, select relative range and in the next week. I'll just call this one Important Items. Now, if a reminder is flagged and due in the next week, it will automatically appear in this smart list. It's also possible to organize multiple lists into groups. To create a new group, tap the More button at the top of the Lists column and Edit Lists. That gives us an Add Group button. Tap to give it a name and select the lists to include within the group. Basically, that gives us a collapsible folder that contains those lists. Tap and drag on lists within a group to rearrange them or move the list out of the group. Swipe left on the group, tap the Delete button, and we can delete just the group or the group and all the lists within it. Just deleting the group will retain the lists.